The Scout LT2 Slingshot will include the slingshot frame just as you see it here when you pull it out of the package. The lanyard will all be installed, and your Lollipop 3mm hex key used to attach to your bands will be attached to the lanyard. You'll also receive two sets of bands, one set of bands for 3/8 steel ammo and one set of bands for clay ammo. You'll also receive a sample of each of those projectiles. So that's what's coming in your package. As far as size goes, the Scout LT is the little brother of the Scout XT. This being the LT2, you can see here that it's quite a bit smaller. It's still capable of being shot by people with large hands as those people with small hands, all the way down to baby hands. The grip for this slingshot is either a pinch grip or a thumb support grip. You can also hold it in a hammer grip, but it's not designed that way. You can also remove these scales and shoot it without the scales, or shoot it with the scales. You can also add on an optional handle weight. You can band this slingshot up in OTT over the top or through the forks. It also includes fiber optic sighting references for over the top or through the forks shooting. The patent-pending integrated band clips secure your slingshot very quickly and easily using a supplied hex key. The LT2 is a great slingshot, really, for anyone. It's the top seller, and it has been for years. Check out the LT2. I think you're really going to like it.